Boom.
Let me double check. No, you're not. Oh, you've scheduled a Oh no, we are live. We are live. Yo, welcome to the play-by-play. Welcome to 2K1A. This is the play-by-play. I'm HT. That's Danny. This is bear with us. This is the second time we've streamed on YouTube. So, how you doing, Danny? What's going on?
Yeah, not bad. Not bad. I'm keen for the play-by-play. Let's, I don't know how far back we want to go here. I want to have a 9-minute chart. What's the date today? The 14th.
Today is the 14th.
Where did we finish off our last play-by-play? Let's go around here. Alright, well that's actually replay, boom. Alright, well let's just get straight into it.
Let's do it, man.
Alright, well, you know, first things first, we gotta look at the... Let's have a look at the time. So we're sitting at 6. So let's go to our first time zone. So around here.
Oh, mind sharing your screen with me? I'm getting a bit of a delay on my end because I'm watching you on YouTube.
Yeah, sure. Okay, I've just done that. And alright, let me know when you're good to go.
Yeah, I'm good to go. Let's see what we see before we start. It looks like we've got a little what are we on? A 9-minute chart.
We are on a 9-minute chart.
It looks like we've got a bearish divergence to me. Market going up, MACD going down.
Yeah, so we're getting into some oversold territory. Let's chuck on some fibs here.
Yep.
See, so we've hit a key level here. So there's a couple of options here. We could probably get a rally up to 383. You know, or this could be the top, and if we get an M here, we might just roll over. But let's find out.
I would actually, before you do that, I'd actually look left as well, and I'll just try to find gaps higher up if you don't mind. Oh really? Oh yeah, there's one there.
There's one here.
That inverted hammer. There's another one above that. Yeah, that one there. Yeah.
Here's a cheeky one here.
Oh, that's a nice one.
I mean, at this point, we're getting a bit too high now, but let's see what we got.
I'd even say I'd draw a fib extension from that last high. Not a fib extension, a fib retracement, just to see if it hits the 50% rule. So from there, all the way up, yeah, to that one there. Yeah, there you go. So we've hit the 50% rule.
I'd say up here.
Up there better. Yeah, yeah.
So that's lining up with these gaps here.
Yeah, perfect.
Probably a short up here, and you know, back against these. You know, this is support and resistance as well as the gaps here. So that level here, 370. You know, 3767.
Even a cheeky like long into those.
Well, that's what I was thinking. We might see a long opportunity up here, but you know, we'll keep playing it into New York and see what happens. But we're looking like we're gonna break down.
We're animing out, yeah.
But this could be a little. That was probably a window there.
To enter, yeah, there you go. Whoa.
So we're breaking down here. What are we on? So this is London now. So let's keep playing it. What are we thinking here? We're getting closer
We're
to
getting
New
closer
York.
to New York. I'd wait to New York Open. Nice. Now I'll probably look for a short if it goes to the right shoulder of that big M.
Right shoulder of the big M.
Yes, that one there at 6 o'clock. Yeah, that one there in the middle. No, no, no.
Like here.
Right in the middle there. No,
Right here.
yeah. So if you to the right,
Here.
to the right, to the right.
Are you talking about this one?
Yeah, this big one. So that big one there.
What are you talking about here?
Like
What is? Are you trying to?
so. See the right shoulder
Yeah.
to the right more. It's at 6:03.
Oh, are you talking about this one here?
No, no, no. No, no, no. To the right. That
6.
one. Yeah, this one there. That yeah. The top of that. I'll wait to enter a short at the top of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a long here.
Oh, interesting.
It's dangerous. It's really dangerous, but I'd keep it. It's probably not the best idea to be honest, but I'm
Yeah.
gonna let it play. Give me one more bar. Yeah, I might. It's not easy. These are the ones that you can easily second guess yourself out of these ones, but I'll try because I'm gonna go for something like this. This might be a bit
Interesting.
greedy. And, it's probably one of the greediest trades you could ever make. It's almost a coin flip, but yeah,
Oh, yeah.
not a great trade.
Wow, so it was really that small M there that was your in.
Well,
Okay.
I took a gamble because, and it probably wasn't the best idea. Seeing the divs here, and
Is there?
I did see it the volume drop off. I should have paid attention to the volume there, so that's something I've got to just keep in mind for next time. But sometimes you do get those really weird spikes up like this. And I guess you could say here that a lot of traders were probably looking for a long here, but obviously got stopped out. So you got to keep these stops tight.
Mhm.
So yeah,
The next play for me would be that institutional fingerprint where you drew your yeah, right there.
right there.
I'd probably look for a long there.
I mean, it's a bit late for a long because this is probably hitting into 70. Oh, I mean, we gotta wait for the next New York kill zone. Um, but actually, look at it. It's Wing right off the
Yeah.
off that level here. So let's just go back and have a look at our next kill zone. So that's here.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it
still,
looks like they want it's a very rangy at the moment. Yeah.
yeah, and it's still downtrending here as well. We'll probably get steps up into here. Yeah, so you got the stab up into there. Rejected. It's trying to fight. It's M'd out, and it's going to keep M'ing. And we're filling out the profile here. So if we see a W on the other side of this, maybe. But let's have a look. So there's something going on here. New York kill zone. Maybe another. I might try for another long, but we'll see.
It's like we've got a inverted head and shoulders. It's kind of odd, but in between both kill zones, it looks like an inverted head and shoulders. A
Yeah.
really big one.
And to be honest, it's probably an ABCD bot.
Yeah.
Even if you maybe think something like this, that's possible. I can see that. Even if we draw like a bot here. So I gotta flip this. So we've hit, yeah, 33% retracement. Actually, I drew it the right way before. So we've hit, yeah.
1, 2, 3. There you go.
1, 2, you know, it's A, B, C, D up to this target here. Um, maybe if we get a stab back up, but this candle really worries me. It's so hard because when
One.
you get a candle like this, you see how it's like
Ah,
washed out this side and it's just washed out and it's just tagged the M of this one. It's one of those like
yeah,
really big wipeout candles. So
yeah, yeah.
you've got to be really careful when you see something like this. But seeing this um, makes me feel like it could be a long position. But at the same time, you still got to be very careful. Like the volume's dropped off again. Um, so I'm thinking short here. Um, so let's see if we can get an
Let's see.
entry.
Let's see. Yeah. Boom. Wow.
So maybe, I mean, you could maybe get in here, but at the same time, like, you know, it's one of those ones where you could also get in here if you're looking for a long. Like this was probably a good area for
I'll
a long
actually
as
wait
well.
for one more print. I would wait for one more print just to see. Is
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a W there. Um, Another print. Yeah, that's your entry there.
For what? You're long or
For no,
short?
for a short. Yeah.
So are you taking the entry here?
Yeah, I'll take the entry here. It's probably a risky play.
Where's your stop loss here?
I'm gonna make it really tight. I'm gonna make it to that there,
Okay,
and then take it 2 to 1.
2 to 1.
Yeah, 2 to 1. Yeah. Yeah, that was
You got wiped out.
risky. Yeah, right, risky.
Yeah, this one's not easy. This one is very not easy. I mean,
Mm.
if you took a step down here, it would have been really good.
Well, that's what I was initially thinking, and actually, it looks. Oh, look at that. That's the M. That's where
Maybe that was
they
the.
take it
I
down.
think
Yeah,
this one here was the.
the short entry.
This one was the short entry coming back up into here.
Yeah.
But that came in at 1 a.m. So, and it looks like the ABCD is gonna play
It's gonna
out.
play out. Wow.
So right idea, just look at that. Right idea, just not that great execution. So at this point, you'd probably have your stops. You know, you'd probably trying to be locking in some type of profit
Take some
here.
profits. Yeah.
But that's a massive win. If you got in from up here, landslide all the way down. Just try and pick your. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to hit the target. So
I,
it's one of those ones where
I would actually.
you
Yeah,
might
I
get.
would have. I would have taken that long there.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, I would have taken that long right there. Just a nice Wyckoff check, and then
Now let's get to the next kill zone. So that's around here. Wow, look at that.
oh wow, look at that.
Now,
That's interesting. Just going from oversold, overbought very quickly.
yeah, well, that's what happens when you're on these ES charts. You get a lot of volatility on the lower time frames. Look at that. Now, at this point, if it goes higher and comes into tag these gaps, this is one of those ones where I'd be looking to short up here
Short
if
up
we
there,
can.
yeah.
Um,
I'll actually, if it makes a W, I will take a. I'll take that. I'll take
this one,
that. Yeah, into the gap.
you reckon? What
Yeah.
time is this? You're playing essentially
Is
here.
this
You're
London?
you're no, you're playing Asian Open, so Japan Open or Tokyo.
Japan Open. Yeah,
Um,
I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's see.
yeah, I mean, what, something like that?
Yeah, exactly like that. Into the first gap.
So like a three
Yeah,
to one.
3 or 3. Yeah, 3 to 1 is good.
I will do 3 to 1.
Very, very risky.
Very ballsy. But if
Yeah.
it pays off,
It's just
you're gonna get
trending. It's
you're
just
gonna get
trending.
paid. You're gonna get paid here. You're gonna get paid
There you
here.
go.
You're gonna get paid there. Now that's a trade. You know, Tokyo Open into the gaps up here, perfect.
Yeah.
And then just reap. And now,
Now
New
take
York's
a
gonna
short.
come in, and now you're gonna take a short up here.
Yeah,
Perfect.
exactly.
This is pro trader stuff. So
And now,
I mean, you got to be careful here though, because sometimes you might get stabbed up into the next lot of gaps. But are we seeing divergence? That's the main thing here. And we are
We
seeing
are.
divergence.
As well as
Nothing.
divergence in the RSI.
Do we have confirmed divergence here?
Uh,
I would
well,
go out and say that we do have
it's a bit, yeah.
confirmed divergence here.
Honestly, I would wait for a couple prints. If it hits that one of the gaps or hits that all-time high or the recent high,
I think it's rolled over. It's rolled over. It's
it's rolled
100%
over.
rolled over. Now, this is one of those
That's
ones where you could. The problem is, look at how they've set it up here. This is very important to understand because when you take a short here, what can happen is they could
they'll
run the
spring.
stops into the gaps up here, so you could take your short up here. But if
That's what I'm
they
looking.
don't do that, this collapses.
Yeah.
So these are one of those trades where you need to make that decision here now because you've only got a couple of minutes. You don't
Yeah.
have a lot of time to make your decision. Once you've made your decision, you got to stick with it. So either you take this M here, or you pray to God that they run the stops up here, and you can get a really nice sharpshooter level, or you completely miss out on the trade by not taking this M here. So you've got, it's when you're doing this live, this right here, um, this area right here, this can become very volatile into New York Open. This is one of those ones where you could make or break your day by making a decision here. Because you have to make a decision. You're either waiting or you're just sitting. So you've got to make a decision to either wait or sit. You can't do anything else other than that. Now for me, what I'm thinking is I've already seen it, come up here. We've got divergences. I'm happy to take it here, and if I get stopped, I get stopped. But once you get stopped, don't try and chase this. It can get very ugly really really quickly. I'm going to say that I'm going to take this here. We could easily get a spike up here, and I can get washed out. So
That's where I'm gonna wait.
I'm willing to take this, and HT is going to take the other side of my trade, and he's gonna be hunting where I got my stop. And I'm not doing myself any favors by taking this trade. This is a very dangerous trade, but I can see the potential for this trade to pay off, because if it pays off, I'm looking for a big retracement back down here. So you could easily see a nice 5-to-1 trade here. So I'm gonna risk it, and then we'll see. So let's go ahead. Yeah, so stopped out there.
So I would have waited until an empire there, at a confirmed empire.
We'll probably hit this.
Yeah.
And if we run past this, we're gonna go even higher. And look at that!
Yeah.
Look at that candle there. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is where you gotta be super careful here. I think at this point it's probably gone. We're probably gonna go way higher and shoot up.
No,
What are you thinking? What are you thinking here?
That's
see,
a bullish engulfing. That's a bullish engulfing.
These are the things here, because if you took this one here, as soon as this comes in, you're getting very, very, very cautious.
Can you look left for me? Horizontal support and resistance there at the 23rd.
No, I'm thinking we're going back up here. We're going back up to these highs here. Right up here.
Yeah, we did make a nice base actually.
Yeah, I think we're going to continue up. So, and look, I knew that instantly as soon as this M came in and it failed, and we saw this massive spike in volume. We're looking for now open air up into this level here.
Well, honestly, if you look at the RSI is, if I wait for one more print, if prints the next one,
boom.
Yeah, that's an M there on the RSI. I would wait for another print. Yeah. It's looking like it wants to M out. That's where I would take a trade. Oh,
See, you know, this is what happens. You'll see this live, and then it just reverses straight up in the last second. You're not going to understand this until you've done live trading, because these candles, you might get that candle. Let's go back if we can. You know, you'll get a candle here. The next candle prints, it does this, and then it changes at the last second, and then you'll get one that looks like this. It looks like it's a confirmed M, but then before the candle finishes the print, in the last second it shoots up, and then it just skyrockets further higher, and then now you're stuck. So be careful. Please take note of that too. You know, journal that.
Yeah.
And you might even have to go through this live a couple of times just to get a feel for it, because this is what the candles will do. If you don't wait for the candles to print and close, you can get destroyed trying to read candles. So you have to make sure that the candles finish and close.
Yeah. I'll wait for one more print. Yeah, see, like now it's making a W. I might as well take a long here.
Yeah, well that's why I was saying, you know, we're going up here. So are you going to take a long up here?
Yeah, I'll take a long there.
You take a long? Sure,
I'll take
why
a
not?
step.
Why not?
I'll take a 2-to-1.
Why not? Where you're entering here?
Yeah, at that there.
And then
Nice
stop loss here?
That's where my stop loss is.
Okay, and where are you going? 2 to 1?
No, I'll just take a 2-to-1. No, nothing too risky.
All right.
I'll take a 2-to-1.
Yeah. Well, let's find out. Taking heat. Took heat.
Took heat. And now, look at that. Look
now
at that.
Look at
that. That M on the RSI was correct from the beginning. That's
whereabouts were you looking at the M? Right here?
That there. So it was playing around. It was oscillating, right? It gave me a W, but honestly, I should not have taken that long trade because it was in the oversold region, right? Clearly oversold, and it was playing about making a M. So if I would have put my short there at the Empire in the middle, where basically I took my long, we would have been good. And I would have taken it all the way down to 50%.
Well, I guess I talked you out of that one.
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't paying attention to the momentum. I was more paying attention to just the price action in general. You know, it could have gone either way. You could have definitely saw like a massive spike.
This is why I love RSI, man. Like, it's telling you a picture before the picture is painted. You know what I mean? If you take that short trade and put it on that Empire in the middle.
Well, let's go to that short trade. Where's your Empire?
In the middle of that W. See that? It looks like it's going to be a double. No, not back. Up. Yeah. That one there. That little hammer there. Yeah, there.
Are you talking about this one here?
Yep.
Well, I mean, the Empire is technically here, if you want to be very, very technical.
Where, yeah, that's where I was talking about. Yep. And then just take it up to that exactly. And I'll take it to 50%. Take it down to 50%.
See, essentially.
Or even 38.2. I think a better tactic would be 38.2. Take it to the 38.2.
So let's go for a juicy 6.5 to 1. I don't know about this one.
Let's see.
I don't know about this one.
Very risky, very greedy.
That one. Don't
very
know about
greedy.
That one. You would have been happy
but
with
a
a 2 to 1.
Yeah, see, a 2 to 1 is better.
Would have been happy with a 2 to 1. And look at that. Look how it played ping pong into these gaps. That was a crazy. That's a crazy trade right there. This area is just...
RSI, man, powerful.
But long run, I'm still, thinking up here.
Yeah.
So let's go to the next kill zone. So that's around here. Well, let's see where we go. What is it? 23. Still think we go higher.
Open, huh?
I still think we have to go higher. If we don't, if we're just chilling here,
think we're just making a base here.
Yeah, it looks like we're making a base here. But we have to go higher.
You're right. They're playing ping pong right now.
It's definitely ping pong here. Oh, I've gone past our kill zone.
Oh, look at the volume that came in on the New York Open. That's big volume.
Well,
That's bull right there.
that looks
That's very
bullish.
bullish.
This looks bullish.
That's,
You know, I might.
and
This isn't the best place to take it, but
can you? Is that
let's.
a key reversal? No, it's not.
No, it's very hard to find a key reversal here. This is one of those ones where I might wait till it comes down, try and get a re-entry. There you go.
Nice.
I'll
That's a nice
keep it
goodie.
tight, but I'll shoot for a 3-1 here. I might be right, I might be wrong, and I'm wrong. So it was a short. It actually
Unlucky.
came up, retested this, the breakdown, and now it's probably going to hit your 38.2 here. So if anything, try and catch. Try and catch, you know,
Try to catch
something
the
like
New York
here,
Opens. Yeah.
something like this, and then go down to 38.2. Why is this not a 2-1? Why is this less than that? I've probably got the wrong one. Gotta go short. Something along these lines here. And then we
I'd
probably.
actually.
I mean, you probably do hit. Maybe not.
I was gonna
No.
say take
You're
it to that
You're gonna
higher
say
shoulder.
you're gonna say long, yeah?
No. I would
I'll
go
take
back
it to this high.
that high. Yeah, your stop loss
That's
should
too.
be above that.
That's too high.
No,
I'd
but
rather
you would have
keep
had
it
a
tight.
2-1.
I mean, maybe, but I think we get stopped.
Yeesh.
Yeah, that's this is volatility in a nutshell.
Dude, this
It's
is
very.
this is a long bot. If you look at it, this is a long bot.
You reckon? No, it's not a long bot.
It's an ABCD.
Not really. We
Huh?
haven't hit 38.2 retracements.
Uh,
Maybe if you're going from like, you know, maybe here. But damn, look at that. That market just played us right there.
yeah, that was crazy.
Right,
We'll
we'll
see.
keep
We'll
going.
let it play out.
We'll keep going. We'll keep soldiering on here. I mean, let's go. When's the next kill zone here? Soon. Alright, let's pay attention.
Yeah, I'll wait for New York.
Alright, so we're going higher. We might get another retest up here.
I think they're gonna run the stops to the low.
To this low?
Yep.
It's a bit too far away now. Yeah, I feel like this might have been the trade maybe. Maybe this inside bar. If this breaks lower, I'll take a short here. But it's got to break this low. The next candle needs to break this low.
Wait for the print.
Yeah, so
There
I
you
wait
go.
for the print there, and then like as soon as it broke the low, I would have been in here.
You would have been.
And then I'll take, you know, something like a 3-1.
I'll take a 2-1 there just in case. There you
Ooh,
go.
so 2-1
That's
definitely would have
2-1.
paid off there. It actually was pretty much a 2-1.
Yeah.
And then instant jackknife,
Instant.
and this is why you got to keep your stops tight, or keep your stops at scratch, because when you get volatility like that, it's insane.
And look at that, it's painted a really nice big W there. Um,
I mean, there would have been a really cute W in here,
hmm,
and then there was a retest right here at New York. So
the white.
if you were long from here, that's a great entry. But you know, hindsight's 2020 here. Um, definitely.
Good stuff, man.
I think we'll call it at that. Um,
Yeah, man.
yeah,
That was a few good trades. Great, great.
a lot of mistakes, a lot of you know, a lot of practice, a lot more practice to do. We just gotta, you know, do more of these.
It's the only way we get better, man.
That's it.
We're sharpening the sword. This is sharpening the proverbial sword. So, thank you all for watching and tagging along with us. Hope you guys learned something, got some value out of this. Follow us all on our social medias at 2Crypto on Analysts. And with that, Danny,